Hey guys, I got this GNL 2000 here that ended up arriving with without a string retainer or a string tree. I don't know how it ended up like that, but it did. So I bought a new one on GNL's website. It was only about 13 bucks with shipping. So it came in, and I'm going to show you how to install it. Okay, so with a string retainer, basically its job is to set the pitch of the strings to be about equal to the other two strings. So the first thing I need to do is loosen the two strings that it will be on so that I can press it down. But I'm using the strings themselves as a guide to determine where to install this exactly. Okay, and that looks about right. So I'm going to use one of these, basically a screwdriver end type drill, just to make my life easy today. I don't want to go too deep though, so alright, looking at the screw end, I don't want to drill any deeper than this screw end. So I'm going to put a piece of tape down. So this is only going to go this deep. I'm marking off the bit with tape just to make sure we don't go any deeper. There we go, we have our screw hole drilled. Okay, we're gonna do a wider drill. Alright, so we'll finish tightening it by hand with a hand screwdriver. Alright, feels great. And that's how you install a string retainer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.